Hey guys, Zach here, back with Momentum Digital, and in today's post I talked about meta descriptions and title tags and how they can help local service businesses get an edge up over their competitors. So whether you just want to learn about this and understand why it's valuable from a local business perspective, or you want to smash your competitors in the face, hopefully this video will explain with real life examples why it's important and how it actually helps you. I use the example of iPhone Repair Philadelphia in the post, so I'll just go over it like this. So our co-founder, Mac Frederick, owns Phone Repair Philly. His ads are right here. So if anyone just taps on the ads right away, we appear there. We also appear in the map pack, this little coveted spot with these two other guys at the top, obviously. So if anyone just taps there, we're there. Furthermore, if anyone just goes down here, you can find their site here. And we've also got a tertiary site, iPhoneRepairPhiladelphia.com right here. This is the example I use in the post. Basically, the title tag is this thing right here. And the meta description is this thing right here, this little text right here. And this is the URL. So when you write your meta descriptions and your title tags, it's an art in itself, in my opinion, because you need to strike a balance between seducing Google and satisfying their needs as an algorithm, and you also need to seduce a potential user to click through to your site over any of these other sites. So I don't want them to click on any of these other sites. I either want them to click on this one or up there at the top. So the same way you write your headlines for your ads is you should write your headlines for your organic sites. So those two things you want: seduce Google and seduce the user. To seduce Google, I can't use the keyword too many times, or else I appear over-optimized. Over-optimized means I probably just won't rank, and I'll just appear too try-hard in Google's eyes, and that's not going to be good for my organic rankings. So what I do in that situation is I use synonyms. I use related search terms and stuff that people would search as well. So if I have Philadelphia here and Philadelphia here, I would use the word Philly here. And as you can see, Google has bolded it, which means it recognizes it as a synonym, meaning, did you mean Philly? Did you mean Philadelphia? They're the same thing. So Google is giving me tips here. When you look at search results, you can find tips for synonyms. You don't have to use fancy SEO tools. You can just look at the actual search results. Also, I typed in iPhone. It bolded iPhone. I typed in repair. It bolded repair. Screen repair. So if someone's typing in repair, they probably need to fix their screen. I've included that. They have also needed to fix their battery. I've replaced that. A synonym for repair is replacement. A lot of people would type in screen replacement. We know that from our Search Console data, which is another post I'll be doing in the future. And that's there as well. And I've also seduced the user by saying no appointment required. So I've satisfied Google by using synonyms and other related search terms. And I've also seduced the user by saying same day service, no appointment required. You can just bring it in right now. So from a user experience perspective, we know what their concerns are. They want their phone fixed fast, and they want it done today, and they don't want to bother with an appointment, and they don't want to be phoneless, basically. So Mac does actually offer on-the-spot phone screen repair, so I've included that as part of our kind of value proposition, our headlines right here. If I go into the actual site itself, and I go back to the search results while that loads, and I type in, for example, something like iPad repair Philadelphia, which is something that he also offers. You'll see iPad Repair Philly is also us, by the way. So we're here, and if you scroll down further, you'll see iPhoneRepairPhiladelphia.com again. But what you'll notice is they've actually Googled themselves have actually automatically rewritten the meta description. So it says, we're proud to offer the most convenient, affordable, and effortless iPhone and iPad repair with iPad Repair bolded service in Philadelphia. Not Philly, Philadelphia. And the reason for that is actually that text is right here on this site. We're proud to offer the most convenient, affordable, and effortless iPhone and iPad repair service in Philadelphia. So what this tells us is just shoving random text inside your meta description isn't really what a professional should be doing. What we do at Momentum is we actually do in-depth keyword research to find what the synonyms are, find what the long tail search terms are, what the synonyms of those long tail search terms are, kind of craft it, bake it all into the cake. So when I put this on the site, I know I've got to use in the text on the homepage, which if I want to rank the homepage, I've got to use synonyms for Philly, synonyms for fix, synonyms for replacement, synonyms for phone, iPhone, cell phone, tablet, phone. Some people just type in phone replacement, tablets, iPads. All of these search terms, I've got to bake them into the text on this page. And that is a direct correlation to me ranking for those search terms. Google sees that text on my page and sees my homepage as a viable asset to be ranked for this term. Okay, so we know that for sure. If I type in something like iPhone screen repair Philadelphia. You can also see about on the suggested search terms, iPhone screen replacement, iPhone screen repair. They're giving you hints here, right? Google is giving you hints on what other people are searching for, and you can use those terms and bake them into your site. Now, obviously, you're a local business owner. You probably don't want to spend all your time doing this, but I totally understand that you're super busy. That's why we do it ourselves, and that's not a problem. So if I just type in iPhone repair Philadelphia, you'll see we come down here. Bring your broken. Okay, so broken is another synonym into our Philly store today for quick screen repair, battery replacement, almost anything else, right? So I show up for that as well as we show up here in the map pack as well. So this is exactly why meta descriptions and title tags are super important, because Google is actively rewriting them based on the content of your site. So it's really a matter of teamwork, making sure you have the right content on the site, making sure you have the right basic title tags and meta descriptions, and knowing what people are searching for and kind of writing them so that they are baited into the click. So a lot of our clients, or maybe even yourself, you might have a page ranking down here, right? So let's say you have a site showing up down here. The best way, the number one thing I would look for if I was going to improve your search positioning from down here to up here would be the content on your site. Because if we can just get a couple long tail search terms for a user to click on a site down here over a site up near the top, we can tell Google, hey, we're actually a better match for these search terms. So if 10 people search that search term and 8 of them or 6 of them click on your site all the way down here instead of the site at the top, that's telling Google that you're a better match for that search query. And where that starts is the title tags and the meta descriptions. So hopefully this was helpful. If this was too technical, don't worry. Just send us an email, and we'd love to take a look at your site. Your meta descriptions and title tags are one of the first things we look at, and actually the on-page content as well. And we can actually improve your search rankings, no problem, for most commercial terms, especially local services. It's an easy win, and I definitely recommend you look into it if you've been overlooking it in the past. All right, my name is Zach. Hopefully this was helpful, and have a great day.